Hey nature lovers, welcome back. Today we'll be learning some interesting facts about hedgehogs. Hedgehogs are small mammals that are found in many parts of the world. These spiny creatures are often seen scurrying around gardens at night in search of food. But there's much more to these little animals than meets the eye. Keep watching to find out what they are, where they live, and get ready to be amazed by some incredible hedgehog facts. Number 1. Hedgehog is not a rodent. Even though they look similar to mice or squirrels, they're actually not rodents at all. Hedgehogs belong to an order of mammals called Insectivora, which means insect eaters. This order includes other small mammals, like moles and shrews, who share a common ancestor with hedgehogs way back in time. Their ancestors were shrew-like creatures that started to grow spines as a defense mechanism, eventually evolving into today's hedgehogs. So while they might look like rodents, hedgehogs are actually more closely related to moles and shrews. Second, hedgehogs are nocturnal. During the day, you'll likely find hedgehogs sleeping soundly in their cozy nests. These little critters are nocturnal, meaning they're most active at night. When the sun goes down, they come out to forage for food, taking advantage of the cooler temperatures and the abundance of nocturnal insects. This behavior helps them avoid many predators, allowing them to live longer and have more babies. So if you've ever wanted to catch a glimpse of a hedgehog in action, be sure to stay up late and keep an eye out in your garden. You might just see one snuffling around in search of a tasty treat. 3. Thousands of spines on their body. If you've ever seen a hedgehog up close, you know that its back is covered in sharp spines. But did you know that an adult hedgehog has 5,000, 7,000 spines on its back? These spines are modified hairs that grow from the skin and are made of keratin, the same substance that makes our nails and hair. When a hedgehog feels threatened, it curls up into a tight ball, raising its sharp spines to protect itself from predators. The spines are hollow and can easily puncture the skin of an attacker, making it hard for them to get close enough to cause harm. Hedgehogs can lose spines over time due to injury or illness, but they grow back quickly if the hedgehog stays healthy. These spines are not only a defense mechanism, but also an important part of the hedgehog's identity. They're so iconic that you can even find hedgehog-inspired accessories and toys based on these unique features. 4. Hedgehogs are great swimmers. Even though they might look slow and clumsy, hedgehogs are actually pretty good swimmers. They use their sharp spines to paddle through the water, and their small webbed feet help them steer and maneuver with ease. Just watch out for those prickly backs. If you ever find yourself swimming with a hedgehog, hedgehogs are also surprisingly good at climbing. Their strong claws and flexible spines allow them to scale trees and navigate rocky terrain with ease. They're often spotted climbing into bird feeders to get a tasty snack. So don't be surprised if you see a prickly face staring back at you from the top of your bird bath. Whether they're swimming in a pond or climbing a tree, hedgehogs are capable of some impressive feats of agility and balance. 5. Hedgehogs are omnivores. While their name suggests they only eat meat, hedgehogs actually have a varied diet consisting of both animal and plant matter. Insects make up the bulk of their diet, but they also enjoy earthworms, snails, and slugs. Additionally, hedgehogs are known to eat fruits, bird eggs, and even fungi. This diverse eating plan allows them to thrive in a variety of habitats and ensures they receive the necessary nutrients to stay healthy. In fact, hedgehogs are such efficient hunters that they can clear an area of pesky insects in no time. 6. Hedgehogs can hibernate. In colder climates, hedgehogs can hibernate during the winter months. Hibernation is a state of inactivity that allows animals to conserve energy when food is scarce and temperatures drop. During hibernation, a hedgehog's heartbeat and breathing slows dramatically, and they become very difficult to wake up. This adaptation allows them to survive the harsh winter conditions and emerge in the spring ready to start anew. Hibernation can last for several months, depending on the severity of the weather and the availability of food. During this time, hedgehogs rely on their stored body fat to sustain them, and they typically wake up only once a month to eat and drink. It's truly amazing how these little creatures are able to survive in such extreme conditions. Number 7. Self-anointing. Now let's talk about one of the strangest things hedgehogs do, self-anointing. This bizarre behavior involves chewing on certain substances like earthworms, beetle larvae, or even soap, and then rubbing their spines with the resulting foamy saliva. Scientists aren't entirely sure why hedgehogs do this, but there are a few theories. One idea is that it helps to camouflage their scent, making it harder for predators to detect them. Another theory is that the oils and fats in the substances they consume help to lubricate their spines, making it easier for them to move around. Some people even believe that hedgehogs do this to clean themselves. Whatever the reason, it's definitely a strange and fascinating behavior that makes these little creatures even more intriguing. Number 8. Hedgehogs as pets. It's becoming increasingly popular to keep hedgehogs as pets. Some people are drawn to their cute appearance, and others appreciate their unique quirks. Hedgehogs are relatively easy to care for and can live for up to 6 years with proper nutrition and veterinary care. African pygmy hedgehogs are a popular choice for pet owners due to their smaller size and friendly demeanor. However, it's important to remember that hedgehogs are wild animals and may exhibit behaviors that can be harmful to humans, like biting or carrying diseases. That's why it's crucial to do research and prepare for the challenges of owning a hedgehog before bringing one home. Well, folks, that brings us to the end of our journey into the world of hedgehogs. We hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing creatures and all the amazing things they do. From their unusual diet to their ability to hibernate, hedgehogs never cease to amaze us. And who knows, maybe you'll even spot one in your garden one night. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.